Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable LED notifications on this device. So to do this, you just have to open settings, then go to the display section, and here you have this option, notification LED, and here you can enable this feature. You can set it like to don't show any LED notifications. You can blink and you can breathe. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate you how it works, but when you get notification, you will see by yourself. Like my phone it's like I can't get any notifications on it, unfortunately, because it's not mine. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.